Let's find the worst performing one, shall we? There we are. Let's have a look. LUMN, Lumen, which I think is one stock that everyone has heard of. LUMN. Let's see what the stock, what it looks like. It's what this is telling me. This chart is, in fact, there is probably some still further downside to come with Lumen. It has an average volume of 30. It's only done 17. Okay, maybe it's coming to another base, but at the moment it doesn't show any signs of basing, because that's not the, if it does an average volume of 30 and at the moment we've got 17, although we haven't finished yet and we've got to wait till the end of the week, there's certainly a lot of buying in there. So possibly once that does hit a bottom, maybe that is one to look at for future reference. This, I've just purely picked it because it was the last one on the list, as it were. Let's have a quick look over here with our indicators, because it's always very tempting with stocks that have lost a lot of value and have lost a lot of value, fallen quite hard, as it were. The temptation is always, well, at one point it was $50. Oh, it's only trading at $1.98. Oh, that's cheap, as it were. Usually there's a reason for cheap. The other thing to look at is, and we haven't covered it today, we'll cover it in another session, and that is the extent to which a particular stock has been shorted, particularly if it's moving strongly to the downside, as this is at the moment, because what you could find is going to have a short squeeze. Maybe the Wall Street bets people are going to get hold of it and say, hey, these hedge funds, they need to be taught a lesson. Let's all pile in, and you get a very sharp short squeeze, and then the momentum will really kick in to the upside very, very quickly. But to the positive side, having said that it was last on the list, you could say with an average volume of 30, and it's only done, this is on the day, it's only done 17. Well, maybe it is coming to some kind of half decent bottom, as it were. Where the ultimate bottom is, I don't know. Let's have a look. I don't know how old Lumen is. There we are. I think this is an interesting one to watch, David. Do you think so? Very interesting. Okay, here we are. This is what I mean by saying this was $50, $45. Yep. And you say, yeah, well, it was $50. It's bound to be $50. You do have to remember stocks can actually go to zero.